Hello, hello. In case y'all didn't know, I'm slightly obsessed with noodles. If I had my way, I would review only noodles. Anyway, I ordered lunch from Noodles Factory today. I got the lamb Hakka noodles and the chicken Singapore noodles. Now, given the choice between both, I always get Singapore noodles. There's just something about the texture of vermicelli that makes me happy. The Hakka noodles today surprised me though. It was so good. It was packed with a lot of flavor and had a nice spicy kick. The lamb in it was so tender and well seasoned, it was a really enjoyable meal. I typically have beef with green bell peppers, but I wasn't even mad at the large quantity in the bowl. The noodles themselves were a little too soft, but it was still really good. The Singapore noodles, on the other hand, were just alright. They definitely needed more flavor. The vermicelli was also softer than I would have liked. It was spicy, which I did like. But the chicken in it was such a letdown. It was boiled and shallow fried, kind of like the way caterers fry chicken before throwing it in stew. A practice I hope we stop one day. It was quite dry and lacked seasoning. It could have been juicier and packed with more flavor. Without the chicken, the Singapore noodles weren't too bad. It was just okay, and the Hakka noodles really just stood them up. I'll definitely be going back for the lamb Hakka noodles though.